Hey guys, what's up? Ruben here from the Midnight Garage. As you can see, I have punctured my tire and today I'm going to show you how to fix this. First up, you need to get this. This is a tire repair kit. They cost about $5 to $10 and you can get them at pretty much any car repair store.
Grab something like a needle nose plier and pull out whatever's in the tire.
Then you need the drill tool from the tire repair kit to jam it into the tire, to make the hole slightly larger and to clean it up a little bit. And then we grab the needle and some rubber glue and we put some rubber glue onto the needle. Now for the fun part, you need to grab one of these cords and put it halfway up the needle. And if you've ever worked with a needle and thread before, you know how much fun that is. Once again, put some glue all over it. And now you need to push the cord for 2/3 into the tire and then you need to pull it out in one swift motion. Then you need a sharp X-Acto knife so you can cut off the excess cord. And when you're done, it looks a little something like this. And the last thing that's left to do is pump the tire back up and put it back, and then you get yourself a fixed tire. So yeah guys, that's it for today. I hope you guys liked it. Leave a like if you did and hit the subscribe button if you want to see more videos like this, and hopefully we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.